I'm born in the hot streets, grew up in 31. This is my street's number, yo. This is where I'm from. I'm from Germany, Münster 48 145. That's the postal code. That's where I come, that's where I'm gonna arrive. When I go back home in December, I'm gonna meet my friends. I'm gonna shake some hands. I'm gonna buy some brands. I do the shit, I done it. Because when I grew up, we were sneaking through the neighborhood, checking out what's up. We were stealing bicycles and climbing across walls. And every day we throw or we kick balls. We checked some chicks and then we started smoke on the playground, yo, at the story stone.
I did, trying to keep it true to my crew and my family. If I'm speaking too fast, I'm sorry if you don't understand me, but I try to just slow it down because they all know it now. Every time the T-Dot come through, man, we hold the crown, that king of the job, just the hottest battle rap shit. And every time I come through, you know I'm fucking spastic. Bananas do gymnastics, cause they doing flips, dog, but I never flip, dog. I'm always with my clip, dog. We keep it ill, we keep it true, we always keep it real. And if we come through, then we ain't just asking how you feel, cause we do it the way we think it's right, think it's right. So every time we come through, say goodnight, say goodnight.
Represent the fleas that be hiding underneath. Just trying to get a little bite. Just trying to get it all night. Today I do it like this fight. For everything you need. And if you want it, oh, I got them jumpers up your sleeve. I got something to come right out. Got them aces, got them crowns. Got them kings, got them jokers. Do it like the show is hocus pocus. I'm from Magic Cloud. Might as well have a horn on my head like a unicorn. I did it like this prince. I got these rainbows. Y'all think y'all sane though? Fucking insane, ho.
Insane, man.
And pow! Same old, same old. Did you step on my almonds? Cause if yes, we have a problem.
Good.